We are about a year out from a hair transplant. This gentleman really almost had no hairs up there. Would you agree?
Yeah, it was looking pretty bad.
And this is all transplanted hair. As you can see even close up how natural this looks. I mean, you can't tell graft from not graft. They're all basically grafts. These are all grafts. So full head of hair now. You're happy?
Oh yeah, it's been amazing.
Amazing. Has anyone noticed anything, or what did they say?
Well, a lot of people I think notice but don't say anything.
Yes.
There's been a few people that have, but I get people that look at me second, third time and be like, oh, he looks different.
You look darn good is what you look. That's amazing. So congratulations on that.